What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be checking out another exchange that would definitely be a good option for you when you do your crypto transactions in the future. Just a quick message, I'm not a professional advisor and this video is purely for informational and educational purposes only, so let's get it on. Alright guys, so OKX landing page link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out their website and see what are the things that we could use in their exchange. Let's go ahead and check out first how you can purchase your crypto. So for some countries that are not really, heavy into using credit cards or something like that, they could use P2P trading and it's very secure. Let's just go ahead and check on P2P there. Whatever currency you guys are using, you could go ahead and check them and change them here. So this is for the buy, okay? So if you're looking into putting money into your spot wallet or funding wallet, you could change this. So this is the currency that you're going to use when you make your payment. So as you can see, there is a ton of currencies that you could use. So you could check out, like say for example, you're in Canada and you could change your crypto. USDC, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, you have TUSD, you have DAI. So those are your options that you could buy. And then once you buy them, actually, what I normally do is when I purchase cryptos in exchanges is that I purchase it using USDT, okay? Because it's actually for me, it's the easiest, like most generic fiat currency that you could use when you are going to exchange with other tokens, and we will get into that later on when we get to spot. If you are like ready to liquidate or exchange your money into like real money, you could use this as well. Just change it to sell. And then let's say for example, yes, you are using Canada or Canadian dollar, you could choose from different merchants. You could see that there's a lot of different merchants there that you could choose from. And then I would strongly suggest that you check out their completion rate. I normally make transactions with merchants that are having like 95%, actually 90% or higher completion rate would be good choice for me, and I would strongly suggest that to you as well. You could exchange that here. You could select the payment method, guys. You could filter that over there. And you can see the payment methods that the seller or the merchant is using for you to do the transactions. That also goes with buying. So they have different payment methods that you could choose from. It's up to you on which payment method you prefer in paying them. That's actually a good indication that this is a good exchange because there's a lot of merchants buying and selling your tokens that you could use in this OKX. So this is the exchange. You could there's also an OKX wallet. Okay, so you could do that there. Let's put it back here to the exchange. We're done with the buying crypto. You could buy it with card. You could buy it with P2P or peer-to-peer trading. You could also buy with third-party payment. So you have options there. Discover. You have market, you have opportunities, because the opportunities discover hot and new cryptos. It will show you what's hot, what surge, the new, like the gainers. That would definitely be very, very helpful for you guys, especially if you are that type of person that does long or short trading. You could monitor the tokens, like the good performing tokens as the actions happen, okay? So leaderboard, yeah, explore and follow tag traders, master traders. You see that? Wow, look at that. Plus 26,839.15%. Oh my goodness. This is rich already. So you have a lot of, like a ton of traders in OKX. You can go ahead and check that as well. Let's go ahead and check trade. Okay, so for trade, guys, this is basically the most used here. Spot trading, which is you could exchange your currency to whatever currency there is. So say for example, okay, you bought USDT, so and you are planning to buy, let's say Cardano. So ADA is the token for Cardano. So you just type in ADA and then you just select which pair you have. Since you have USDT, ADA, so USDT to ADA, ADA to USDT, that's a trading pair. If you have USDC on the other hand, you could choose this. If you have Bitcoin, use this. You have Ethereum, use this. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on USDT because we're pretending that we have USDT, and then you could change here. So I would also assume that you already know the limit, the stop, the limit, the market trading. So that's actually one thing that you could use here in this trading or in this spot trading for OKX. And if you want to learn that, you could go ahead and check out the channel, guys. There's a lot of videos or contents there that you could choose from. Definitely will be helpful in terms of you gaining more knowledge about doing crypto trading in general. You also have perpetual swaps, you have futures. Let's go ahead and click on futures right there. So for this one, I would not suggest that if you are very new into crypto. I would strongly suggest that you make sure that you know the fundamentals first. Study technical analysis. That would be very helpful for your career in crypto, guys, especially if you're that type of scalp trading. So when you are doing futures as well, you could increase multiplier here or the leverage. That's what they actually refer that to. See, 125. Imagine if you are a very good technical, or if you have like a very good technical analysis skill, you will definitely earn a lot with futures for this one. So next one, you have margins, you have options, you have trading bots as well. So you could go ahead and check that as well and utilize what they have. I won't dig in too much into that. That is actually for another content that you guys could check, so that it's gonna be focused in, like, say for example, the bot trading for OKX. Just know that there is an available feature there for that as well. So you have block trading, you have grow. So earn, don't hodl, just earn. You have a lot of things there. You have jumpstart, discover new high quality projects around the world. This is actually a good one, guys. I would also suggest that you check out Jumpstart, because if there are new high potential tokens or high potential tokens that are going to be launched anytime soon, it could make its way to the moon, because there's a lot of like tokens or projects that we really didn't expect to perform like 100x, 50x, 100x. 10x is already a really good revenue. But if it could go 100 or 50 or 100, why not, right? So you can go ahead and check on this one. I would strongly suggest that you always do your own research before making any investment. Don't be that type of investor, that's very impulsive and just relies on gut alone. Gut is good, but you have to back it up with some, not some, but a lot of research for your probability of success to go up or increase, rather than just keep on buying, keep on hodling, and then, we'll lose a lot of money in the long run. So I don't want that to happen to you guys. All right. So next would be, you have the OKExChain, the OKX Explorer, the Testnet Explorer, official dApps. You have Bridge, Swap, Safe. Let's go ahead and click on this one, the official dApps. Okay. So OKX Bridge. Actually, let's go ahead and check out the others as well. So Tron, you have Tron as well. So you could bridge them over to OKC. Bridge more than $100 worth of any token to OKC and get an OKT airdrop. So you could check out the rules here. Again, guys, I would go ahead and check out those. Like if they have giveaways, if they have airdrops, go ahead and check them out. I mean, there's nothing to lose. If you could check that out, and if the rules apply to you, you have everything for you to join that airdrop. I would strongly encourage you to go ahead and do so, because those are free stuff. And then let's go ahead, and you have Oracle, you have Subgraph, Testnet Faucet. Like if they have projects and they would like to use like Testnet coins, you could use that as well there. So click on learn, get your first Bitcoin in minutes. Get your OKX account. To get started, visit the OKX website and register your own OKX account. Link will be in the description of the video, so you can go ahead and use that as well. If there's like a referral code that you could use, definitely it will give you a lot of advantage or discounts in terms of like transaction fees or those kind of stuff. Okay, so head on to buy crypto and buy Bitcoin with credit cards, Apple Pay, or bank transfer, etc. So there's a lot of different ways in purchasing your crypto. Again, guys, I'm talking crypto in general. It is highly volatile, okay? It can make you rich, definitely, but it can also make you bankrupt. So you have to always make sure that you do your own research, improve your skills, improve your technical analysis skill, and then, you know, slowly learn the ropes. Okay, don't like invest or buy $100,000 worth of tokens right away. You know, like $5-10 would be a good start. See how your skills develop. There's a lot of different videos in the channel that you could go ahead and check out. And of course, if you're new to the channel, guys, please make sure to click that like, that subscribe, and click the bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos about crypto. That would definitely be helpful in your crypto career. All right, so until then, I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.